In this video, I'll show you how to game share on PS5. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, and once you've done that, please go and consider leaving a like as well. And please do watch this guide right until the end so you know the full steps to going and game sharing on PS5. And without any further ado, let's go and jump into this guide. Now let's go and get straight into this game sharing tutorial. So there's a few notes I want to go over before we go and get into the guide. So the first thing to share is, you can only do this with digital downloaded content. If you've got discs, this will not work. You still have to give your friend a physical disc. And the second thing is, you can share your games and someone else can share their games too, which is really awesome. And in this guide, I'm showing it from the perspective of you sharing your games. Of course, you go and send this to the person of whom the games you would like them to share with you as well. And yeah, that's sort of the main things I want to cover. Now let's go and get straight into the guide. So the first thing you want to do is go to your PS5 and jump into your settings. Then go and find users and accounts, then you want to go to other, and then there's going to be a button saying something like console sharing and offline play. Click there. If you then go and get a pop-up about disabling it, go and click disable. If you then go and get a pop-up about enabling it, just leave it and say don't enable. This is because it's your own PS5 and basically all it's going to change by clicking disable or not enabling it is that people, other accounts on your PS5 won't be able to play the games. You yourself can still play the games. This is because the other accounts on your PS5 is that's now being switched to your friend's PS5 playing that game, if that makes sense. So once you've gone and clicked disable, you then want to go to your friend's PS5, and you want to do is go and log into your own account on into that person's PS5, your friend's one. So make sure you know your password's safe. Then you want to go to the user's accounts and go to other and enable console sharing, where previously on our own console we disabled it. On your friend's PS5, make sure you go and enable it. And then near the console sharing and offline play button, I recommend you go and click on the restore licenses button. This is just going to make sure any downloaded content is then downloaded onto your friend's PS5. So then everyone on the other person's PS5, your friend's PS5, can now play your games at the same time as your own account, as long as your account remains active on your friend's PS5. But just a quick note, on your friend's PS5, you still need to go and download the games from the original owner's library. So from your own library, you need to download the games and then your friend can go and play on them. And just to make it clear, your friend can play the games at the same time as you. Even in the same lobby, this is going to work, but just make sure your friend is logged onto their own account and not into yours. And that's sort of the main steps. If you have any comments, please let them down below. I'll try my best to answer them, and hopefully others watching this video will be able to help out as well, as it is a bit complicated and hopefully I worded this tutorial okay. But if you found it useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, leave a like for more if you want to see more PS5 content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.